Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. I'm James and behind me is my Maserati Ghibli SQ4. In this video, we're going to be talking about the importance of documenting all the maintenance work you do on your car if you do it yourself or have a shop do it. Thanks again so much for watching. Before we begin, I'd like to encourage you to please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button, clicking the like button, and hitting the bell for future videos when they come out. I have 2 more videos coming out that I think you're gonna like. Anyhow, on to the subject of this video. This is my maintenance logbook. And inside here, I've got everything that I've done to the car, including stuff that I didn't do to the car actually. I've got the maintenance that was done to the car before I bought it, like when it was still under lease at the dealership. I went to the dealership and got the maintenance that was done to it, the maintenance log. I keep everything from, this is from a shop that I got. And I have my own maintenance form that I use. In this maintenance form, you'll see that I have the mileage of the car. I record the date, I record what I've done, and I record the parts that I bought, quantity, price, and then I total it all out down here. I keep the receipts behind the invoices here. Here's one. I keep them behind the invoices so that I have proof of the parts that I bought, where I bought them, and how much they cost. Proof that they're either OEM or aftermarket. I have an invoice for everything that I've done to the car. That includes the 70,000 mile service that I just did during the summer. Now the reason to keep this information, especially if you have a warranty, it's important, is so that if you have to go to the dealership with a problem and they ask you, well, why haven't you brought the car in for any oil changes? Or why haven't you brought the car in to have your annual maintenance done? You can show them, well, I had the maintenance done. Here, it's all in my logbook here. There's proof of it there, receipts and everything. Let them take a look at it. They may want to make their own copies for their own records, but you'll be able to prove to them that you've done all the required maintenance. The required maintenance is in the schedule in the owner's manual. There's a schedule, service maintenance schedule in the owner's manual. You follow that. It's got check marks, right, where everything on everything that needs to be done. Change oil, change cabin filter, stuff like that. If you don't have a warranty, this will raise the value of your car. Not much, but it should make the car more desirable over others on the market because you have a record of everything that was done on the car, a concise, consistent record of everything that was done to the car. There's nothing missing. So people who do this maintain the value on their car much better than if they didn't keep any records at all. They just did it at any shop and then threw the receipts away. And the buyer doesn't know what was done to the car. But if you have this, a prospective buyer knows what you've done to the car. You have the log right here. He'll know everything that you've done to the car, and he'll be more comfortable knowing that if you took care of the car, this will prove that you've been taking care of the car. So, and it will make the car more valuable versus a car that doesn't have anything like this. If you go to a dealership, whether it be a Maserati dealership or whether it be a different dealership, and you buy a second-hand Maserati from one of those dealerships, it's not going to come with one of these more than likely, unless the previous owner kept his own. Maserati usually doesn't like to share in the maintenance that was done on the car previously to you buying it. The guy that I talked to, the service advisor that I talked to over at Nilo Maserati when it was here, was very nice, and he provided me with that information. doesn't have the previous owner's name on it at all. I don't know who the previous owner was. I do know that my car was a Bay Area car, San Francisco Bay Area. So that means most of the mileage should be highway miles. So it had a lot of miles on it when I bought it. So the high mileage plus the where it was located in San Francisco, lots of freeways there. Most driving is done on the freeways in the Bay Area, and that tells me that the car has been very reliable. So it's kind of hard for somebody to put that kind of mileage on a car if it spends a lot of time in the shop. So I do have records of everything that was done to the car while it was under lease, and going through that, I was confident that the car was well taken care of while it was under lease. It's had all its regular maintenance. It's had some other work done, and that, warranty work done on it. They just worked out all the bugs in the car. Since then, the car has been flawlessly reliable until now, which is the subject of my next 2 videos. My next 2 videos are going to be something that you guys will probably want to see. The other day, the park light went out on my car on the driver's side headlight assembly. I got a warning on the gauge cluster, park light out, quote unquote. So when I get to work, I look at it, I get out, I leave the engine running, get out, and I look at it, yeah, park light was out. After work, I get in the car, start the car, walk around, park light was on. On the way home, the park light out message came back. I get home, leave the car running, get out, check it, park light out. 30 minutes later, my stepson and I get in the car, get ready to go to the gym that same night. Turn the car on, walk around, park light on. Drive the car to the gym, about halfway to the gym, park light off, or park light out. Get to the gym, check it out, park light was out. After we're done in the gym, I start the car, park light was on. We get all the way home, no message. Check the park light, it was on. This morning, start the car, checked it, park light was on. Get all the way to work, no message. Check the park light, it was on. After work, get in the car, start the car, check it, park light was on. Get home, pull into the garage, the automatic light, the lights came on, park light was on. So I'm thinking there's something loose in there. So the video, what I'm going to do in these videos, I'm going to do 2 of them. The first video is going to be removing the front bumper on a Maserati Ghibli. There's a lot of people that have been asking, how do I remove the front bumper? I'm going to go over that in that video. I'm going to show you how to do it. The quickest and best way to do it. The second video is going to be actually taking that headlamp assembly off and finding out what the problem is. We're going to take it apart. We're going to pull the bulb out. We're going to pull everything out, and I'm going to look and see if there's a loose connection in there. I don't know if that park light is a LED or if it's a bulb. Whatever it is, we're gonna figure it out together in that video. When you know, when I know, you will know. So please stay tuned for that video. Like I said, subscribe, click the bell. I would also like you guys to comment on my maintenance log here. What do you guys think? You think it's a good idea? You think it's a bad idea? You think it's a waste of time? What would you add to it? What would you take from it? I'd be interested to know your comments on here. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, click the bell so you'll be notified of those 2 important videos coming out. And it's not going to be paddle time right now because it's late. So, thanks for watching. Bye.